Good evening and welcome everyone back to um, Crazy Creator Creations. We are here tonight. We're going to show you how to put on the clothing that we created on the computer a couple of days ago. And I remember saying that I wasn't going to make you guys wait to uh, to do this. However, I had some problems with my ISP and I wasn't able to upload the video, and I'm glad I went back and looked at it because it really did not turn out the way I wanted it to. So I deleted it, and this is the new one. So what we're going to do though is we're going to put those clothes that we created onto this avatar. Um, I will say that when you're new, lots of things inside of Second Life can be somewhat intimidating or not quite at face value. So it's always a good idea when you first start, there's a tutorial thing that you go through, and it's a really, really good idea to at least do the essentials in there. I would say at least try everything in there, because when you get into the real world, then you wind up not knowing exactly what to do. And when it comes to clothing, all kinds of things can happen. Um, in the case of being a classic avatar, this is a classic avatar body here. Um, and um, Wearing things is one thing. You get into a mesh avatar, wearing things can make other things disappear, which will leave you naked or in a position you don't want to be in. Now, currently, I'm in a changing room currently, and the area I'm in is that I'm just off of the Firestorm sandbox, and it is a general rating, which means nudity is really not allowed. But I'm in a changing room, so it's not like I'm standing out in the middle of public. Um, and What I'm going to do is, these are the 3 units of clothing that we had on the computer the other night. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to left click on this. It's the native orange top that we created. And I'm going to right click on it. And I could say wear. This is a classic avatar, so I could say wear, but I won't. I'll say add, just on the off chance that something goes haywire and I wind up naked. I don't want to be naked. Alright, and then jean shorts with the purple belt, I'll do the same thing with those. I'll right click on those and go down and click add. Now you can't see them right now because I'm still wearing a dress, but we're going to go to my current outfit, scroll down here, we have the halter dress and we have the halter dress alpha. We want to take off the alpha, which is right click take off. And we also, on the dress, we want to right click and take off the dress, which is detached from yourself because it's a mesh dress. Now, that's what we created on the computer the other night. Um, and We can scroll around here a little bit so you can see it. Um, uh, you can see what it looks like. And this is what it looks like on a classic avatar, obviously. But you're dressed. You're not naked. That's the point. She ain't naked. Let's go over here and move in a little closer. Okay. Now, I wanted to try this other pair of pants, the green shorts. I'm going to right click on them. I'm going to say add those. And these shorts, the purple ones, I'm going to take off. And let them res in. Now, I like that better. I think that's a better fit for her, for that top. current outfit. Let's go. I seen something that's wrong. We want to take the bra off because it is covering up places on the skin that it shouldn't. Yeah, yep, now we go. Okay, now it's open. Alright. So now we have the feathered native outfit we were talking about a couple of days ago. Now, as you can see, it fits snug to the body because it is a set of layers. It's just another layer that you add to your avatar. But let me back out a little bit. But essentially, that's how you put clothes on. And like I said, I add things and then I go back and take other things off that don't need to be there. You can wear if you want to. Just sometimes things will disappear on you if you do. Depending on your avatar. If you got a mesh avatar, wear is not a great idea. If you have a classic avatar like this, then you can wear it and you're pretty much okay. But for now, we're going to go back down to outfits, and I'm going to go back into hers, scroll down, and we're going to get, not that one, I don't want that one. Let's go into that one. We'll click avatar, the Ellie, because this is the Ellie avatar. Let's put her bra back on. And let's put her dress back on. Let's put the alpha on. You add that. And the mini dress, you add that. I need to save this too so I don't have to do this no more. As soon as that dress comes in, as soon as it raises in, I can take that off. Now the alpha isn't gonna show anything. Okay. Starting to wonder why. I guess everything's just kind of slow tonight for some reason. It shouldn't be this slow. She'll be wearing it in a moment. Like I said, my ISP has been giving me issues the last few days. They need to get their whatever they're doing figured out. Because this is getting old. There we go. Okay. Alright, now we got her back in her dress and she's happy and she's not naked. Okay, good. We'll do mesh outfits and stuff like that coming up soon. But I basically just wanted to show you how you can put clothes on and take them off. And like I said, if you use the wear option, you're more welcome to use the wear option. Just if all of a sudden your head disappears or your feet go away or your hands disappear, just know I warned you. Alright, you guys have fun, chill, party hardy, and whatever it is y'all do to have fun in here. And we will catch you on the next one. Peace out, folks.